My dryer is taking forever to dry things. I am going to clean it using this kit I got off of Amazon. In the kit will come a lot of tape, the normal brush that is flexible and you kind of brush off the sides. And then this is the flexible extension bit, so these just slide in together like this. You do have to use a little bit of force, but it's not too bad. So it has a smaller, stretchier inside here that's just going to fit snugly around whatever vacuum you choose to use. It works on a regular vacuum as well. It's kind of stretchy, and I'm just going to push them on snug. I'm going to push it on as far as I can just to get a really tight seal. And that's it. This is the part that's going to go into our dryer. Okay, so our lint trap is pretty dirty. I will clean that in a bit. This part actually just slides right in here, and you're gonna just feed it in. I'm just gonna brush off the sides just to get what's left. Okay, now we gotta move the whole unit forward. I don't wanna move mine by myself. Ours is a big boy because there's a lot of us. So we're gonna take this off. It doesn't look too bad, but I wanna take this off so I can get inside of the unit itself. Screwdriver that we need. And then once that's loose, this will just slip. You can get in here. And to clean the outside, you'll need a T25 bit and a DeWALT, of course, to take this off.
Yeah, it's in there real snug.
Don't forget to use DeWALT so nothing goes wrong. Another win for DeWALT. And then this part, I'm just gonna put it. I'm out of beans. The brush attachment just does a better job. You have to clean that stuff that gets stuck to the side. But the vacuum attachment, getting in there and being able to suck out most of the dust really helps. Normally I sneeze a lot when I do this, but with this, it makes it a whole lot easier. But this attachment really takes out most of it. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm too old for this.
Recording.
Okay.